Okay, one-handed video time again. So what I'm going to be reviewing here is how you would remove the motherboard from one of these PCs. The power supply will have the regular 3-prong in the back. Pull that out, and this will actually just tip up so that you have access to everything. And all of these plugs are keyed and or color coded. You know, it's a white plug, black one, this little 7-pin guy right here, and up front you've got these guys. They're both color coded and keyed. See how there's a little piece of plastic blocking that one hole? Each one of them is different, so you know where they go. You know, blue, green, yellow, right there. And you got this one little guy right here. Pulls out. It's keyed also. Doesn't really want to focus on that. And last one right here. Okay. That's all the wires off that side of the board. There's one right here. That's all the power supply connections. So if you just wanted to disconnect the power supply, it's just those 3 connectors. And I'm also going to disconnect the SATA headers. And then once that's done, you can fish them through the little mounting tab or whatever on the heatsink fan shroud. Take that off. Now once you take that off, there's the CPU fan header. So that's actually all the connections that need disconnected. So now there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 silver screws that need removed to take the motherboard out entirely. But before you do that, you're going to want to take out the heatsink screws on all 4 sides. Now those are spring loaded, so that when you go to put them back in, you're actually going to have to apply force to the top of this to be able to start them. But yeah, take those 4 screws out. Obviously take your video card out if it's not already out. Those 8 screws, and it'll come right back out. Easy as that.